You can use buff-set lines to manipulate lines of text in a buffer. The first argument is the buffer number, second is the starting line number, and third is the end. Fourth is whether you should raise an error, and last argument being the actual text. When you want to insert a new text, the start line and end line have to be the same number. So if you want to insert some text at the top of the buffer, you can put 0 and 0 for both start and end. You can also put -1 to append to the end of the buffer. Or if you want to put it at line 3, notice that it pushes line 3 down and inserts the text there. You can also insert multiple lines of text by adding more strings in the array. This time it pushed line 3 by 2 lines. If you want to replace the text rather than insert the new one, you specify the start line, but put a different number as the end line. The end line is exclusive, so it does not include line 5. So this line replaces line 3 and 4 with empty string. If you rather remove the lines, then you can leave the list empty. Then it will remove line 3 and line 4.